Why the 1100? I'm so tickled with the last test drive. I went ahead and got some filter trays, hydraulic, yeah, oil and air filter, because that one's, yeah, it's been running with no filter, none. Oh, can't see in there anyway. But I don't know, hydraulics don't look bad. I was able to track down one of them, so we're going to put on some filters and tidy up a couple other things, and yeah. Since I got a new air filter in there, I thought better check the old pre-cleaner. And look at that. Those are high performance circles. Oh, look at all that in there. Yep, that'll be fine. We just put that back on there. That's good.